Fire when ready. Alright people, we ended up back at the same spot we came to last time, but it is Halloween day, October 31st, Saturday, hunting season, and Mountain Hood National Forest is closed off, so everyone and their fourth cousin who's hunting deer and elk is up here, which is awesome. It sucks that the woods are shut down, but it's awesome that there's so many people partaking in the hunting season. But it kind of sucks when every single good camping spot's taken. But this one's definitely one of the lesser known ones, so we were lucky.
Every time we say that, 10 people come in.
Well, yeah, I mean, but we've got it. Yeah, we're here. We're here and we're now. Yep. So, it's supposed to be some super moon tonight, full moon, Halloween, and I forgot to tell you, we set our clocks back tonight, too.
Oh, yeah.
So it's going to strike midnight and it's going to be 11 o'clock.
We have the fire pit.
But the moon should be rising right from the bottom of that saddle there, if you can see through the trees, right there. And it should be coming right up over top of us, and that's going to be really cool. So we'll see if we can get some cool pictures of it. But anyway, we're going to get camp set up. Can't see you, but you're there. Camp is set up. Bed's made. Won't focus, but you can see it. Massive. That's crazy. It's not focusing, but you can see it way better than you usually can off the cameras. Fire started. Bed's made. Hell yeah. We were saying earlier, like, he was, we shot that tracer earlier, and then he was loading his hollow points back in, you know, for camp defense and whatnot. And, said something about ghosts, shooting ghosts, and I was like, you can't shoot ghosts. And he was like, oh, well, some of them you can. And anyway, I was like, if there's any ghosts up around here, they'd probably just be, you know, what would you call them? Lumberjacks and stuff, you know, and those seem like nice guys. And then I got thinking about it, and I was like,
axes, chainsaws.
Axes and chainsaws.
Sounds scary to me.
Yeah. Tracers.
Tracers. That was cool.
That was cool.
I hear something.
Do you?
Yeah. Sounds like a bean monster.
Bean monster.
Shiza.
Finally got the fire going.
Yeah.
Big old moon out there. Zoom in too much, it gets shaky. Anyway, it's massive. Camera doesn't do it justice. Never does. But stars are out too. It is pretty friggin' cool out here, man.
I got beans.
Give me some of them beans.
Damn it.
So I'm going to try for the first time one of these. It's like a Rio Royal Star. It's a 2 3/4 low recoil slug. And they all look
Turn
off
it towards
center.
the light a little bit. Turn it towards the light a little.
They all look off center.
Yeah.
But we're going to
pretty cool.
see
Alright.
if it really is low recoil and how much damage we
He's
can do.
going
So-
for this stupid log over here. You can
Yeah.
barely see in the light. I'm going to zoom in on it.
Cool.
Alright. Yeah, I'm zooming back out.
Right?
Yeah, I got you and the little slugorama.
Cool. There we go.
Wow, did you hear it?
Hear what?
Dude, I think the slug went ding, tick, 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 tick,
Really?
up the road,
No,
yeah.
I didn't hear it.
It's pretty badass though. Alright.
That was pretty low recoil.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see the aftermath.
Safety's on, putting double hot bugs back in.
Alright. Yeah, you got it. Did it go out the back? Oh yeah.
Did it go through?
Yeah, it went through. Alright, my dumb ass is a glutton for punishment again. Here we go. What do we got here? 3-inch Magnum, rifled slugs.
Gonna see if it actually makes a difference between
Yeah.
this little shorty versus my
It's
beast.
a monster. Here, so load that puppy up.
Safety's on.
Yep. Alright, we'll be back. I gotta go reset up the target.
Yep. Here we go. Fire when ready.
That wasn't as bad as mine, but holy crap, that hurts.
Woo! We
I'm gonna make punji sticks.
G sticks. Fucking smoke. Alright. We decided to take the hit and pay a little bit of extra for convenience tonight. We're having beef stroganoff mountain houses. Yummy. So I gotta read the instructions here. I don't want to screw it up. Can't be probably pretty hard to screw up, but you'd be surprised. Open package. Discard oxygen absorber. 5 minutes. Stir 4 minutes. Think we can manage that.
Gotta steer it.
Steer it.
Steer it like a fire poker.
Got the
My leg!
dip, sauce, and condiment to rule them all. Hell yeah, green Tabasco.
Eyeball.
One of these Walmart spice things. Comes in handy. It's actually really nice. Do not hurt yourself.
That was fucking wicked though.
I'm sure it was. Yeah, this is way awesome. I think spring
It's not raining.
and fall are my favorite if you can get up here on a weekend where it doesn't
Yeah.
do the R word. It's I love the temperature because summer's really hot, winter's really cold, but you know those transitionary seasons are the best. And but it is getting to the point where it's starting to get colder again, and it's not, like I said, it's nothing like what we've been through before. But we've been up there in 5-6 inches of snow or more. But
One of the snowstorms, we didn't know if we were going to be able to get out of there.
Yeah.
Like, we're going to have to eat each other's legs,
right.
man. We're going to be like Donner Party and
right,
shit.
it just kept piling up, and it was coming in sideways, and just getting us, just soaked to the bone.
But we just had to drive like literally what, a half a mile through all the shit,
if that, like
and
a
then we
quarter mile.
dropped in elevation, and boom, we're out of the snow. It was like it was just wet, like rain.
It was trippy, crazy. But we just sat there and played chess or poker, and just
winter wonderland.
Let
it's
it
fun.
Come down around us. It was nice.
No camping trips are more cozy.
Oh yeah, those are definitely the coziest.
Super warm. Fire going, like we have the setup right here.
Heater.
Pop up.
Fire on this side, little buddy heater on this side.
Yep.
Bundled up, and then you got to have lots of hand warmers. Put them in your pockets, put them in your shoes, put them in your sleeping bag at night. Those things are lovely. We got some of them tonight too, because like I was saying, it's getting to the point where it's
getting kind of chilly.
It's not super cold, but it's chilly. It's chilly. It's supposed to be low 40s, high 30s Fahrenheit. Come on. There we go. Dinner's done.
Almost a breath.
Almost, yeah.
Oh yeah, dude.
A little bit.
Mountain House.
Mountain House.
There we go, man. It's beef stroganoff.
Yep.
Beef stroganoff.
Think it, sink it.
Yeah, looks good, man.
Getting a little bite because mine's hot. Oh, dude.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. That's good. It's no worse than like a box that you'd buy from Walmart or Safeway or whatever, Trader Joel's.
I do got to say though, the mushrooms are a little bit freeze-dried still.
Yep.
They didn't pull the moisture out of the mushrooms all the way.
Fungus is a weird animal.
Mm-hmm. A little bit of peas and carrots. Hell yeah.
Salt and pepper.
I know, I'm going for the hot sauce. I'm going to try a little dab of that. Boom.
Salt.
And then a little bit in my beans. Gotta love it. I gotta go for the beans first. Get warmed up to it.
Pepper. Great idea.
Oh yeah.
Did you put this in your beans?
Mm-hmm.
You did? Weird.
It's pretty good. Try a little tiny little bit. It's sweet and hot and everything in between. It's good.
Yeah, that's good, yeah.
Different.
That's for sure.
Wish we had like a piece of bread or something. Tortillas, I don't know.
Right.
Looks like we're missing some.
That'll fill us up though.
Yeah.
Just like those chili burgers last time.
Yep.
It's like, we got chili, we got burgers. No bread, no cheese, no sour cream. It doesn't matter though, it'll fill
We
you
ate
up.
that shit just right there.
Pick up.
That was pretty good.
It was.
And then we danced around like idiots.
That we did. More tracers.
Yeah, more tracers.
Badass, man.
Hopefully they showed up.
I saw them.
I didn't really see them, but we'll see.